Welcome back, my fellow aggressive learners. In this episode, we're going to set up everything we need to get started in working with our CSS. All right, good. The first thing we need is a browser. All right, and then the next thing we need is our editor. And I am still using Visual Studio Code, which is VS Code. In case you have any other browser, please feel free to use your browser, but just know that our workspace will not always be the same. All right. So if you're using Atom, you're using Notepad, you're using whatever you're using, please go ahead and feel free to use it. But just know that our workspace can never be the same. All right. Good. So I am going to create a folder first. All right. So on our desktop, I'm going to create CSS master class. All right. I'm going to create a folder that I will call CSS master class. So I'm going to raise this here. This is the folder CSS. Now, when naming your folder, please try as much not to always keep a space. All right. Try not to put a space in between it. Instead, you can use underscore, or you use camel case. What I just did here now is called camel case. So you can also use what? Use underscore, all right, to separate name. But don't put spaces. Don't do this. Don't do this. Please just try as much not to do that. It makes your work more easy, right? And more beautiful. Now, so let's just do this. So inside this folder, I'm going to drag it and put it inside this VS Code, and then close this, and of course open this my stuff. All right. So the next thing I want to do is to turn on my live server. All right. It's still coming up. Wait for it. Okay. So while it is turning up, please go ahead, go to my YouTube page. Please, if you have not liked my YouTube page, the only way you could help me and help me to grow my channel is to go look for the subscribe button. Please subscribe, click on the videos, like and comment on the videos. All right. Be very honest. I'll be very happy to receive your reviews. All right. Thank you very much. And then, so let's get back to the real business. So the next thing we want to do is to turn on our live server. All right. So we could see our work on the browser. So when you turn on your live browser, it's going to come up on your what? On your web browser automatically. Remember, this live server is displaying because we installed an extension called live server. All right. Don't forget that live server. That is the reason why it is showing. All right. That is the reason why it is showing. Sorry, it didn't come up. Good. So we installed an extension called what? Called the live server. So you can go ahead, click on extension, click on live server, and then wait for it. It will come up. Click on the install button, and then you are good to go. All right. Good. Now, having done that, I think we are done for this session, and of course, we will come back and we will continue. Hopefully, you get the gist of what we're doing, and I wish you luck. See you in the next class. Thank you.